Hello my friends, and welcome back to another Plan With Me video. My name is Tiffany and I'm so happy to have you joining me today. Today we're going to be planning for the week of September 5th actually. I keep thinking the week starts on the 6th because we don't have work on Monday the 5th because it's Labor Day. So I keep forgetting, but I'm going to be using this gorgeous kit from Nikki Plus Three. I just loved the colors and felt like it was a good transition into fall. We're going to get started, of course, with putting down our full boxes. And these were just so beautiful. I had a little bit of a moment trying to figure out how I was going to lay all these out. I wasn't sure if I wanted to put the green in the center, but I'm happy with how it all came out in the end. So hope everybody had a really great week last week. It was our first week back to school. And it was a doozy, but I will say I love the way our school systems, ease us back into it. Poor Danny, he was not eased back into it. He had everybody back on Monday, but I was back with full staff on Monday. We had a lot of trainings. I led several trainings. So it was just really busy Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday we were back to school, Michaela and I. And then Thursday, the boys were all back to school. So by Thursday, everybody was back into the full swing of things. And honestly, once you're there, it's like you never left. It's like you had a long weekend. You know what I mean? It really does feel that way. It's so nice to have the break. I was talking to Michaela about it the other day about how lucky we are, because what other job do you have where you get to have a little, 8-week rest of your mind and some time to recoup. We have a really stressful job, and I feel really blessed that we have that time to just kind of be with our family and reprioritize and then come back and start fresh. And it really does feel like a new, like New Year's Eve when you come back. Like it's just a start, fresh start. So really, really thankful for that. And I'm excited for this school year. We've got some new things going on at my school, and I'm just really thrilled. I'm happy with all of the kids' teachers. My son Ronan wants to try out for cross country, so it's going to be a fun new experience, and I'm looking forward to it. Definitely see some trials in our future. Just adjusting to having two middle schoolers, the high schooler, and we're spread out across 3 different schools, 5 if you include Danny and I. And, thank God I've got my mother and father-in-law here to help, because I don't know how we do it without them, which is why we moved. That's why we left the West Coast when we were there all alone. So I went ahead and laid down the bottom washi, and I'm going to go ahead and put down the headers here. I was trying to spread out the colors, but again, I loved these. Now that it's September, all of the Halloween decor is out in stores. My Instagram is flooded with adorable Halloween stuff. I just cannot wait to decorate and celebrate the season. It's a fun holiday here in our house. We have done some really fun Halloween costumes in our past, lots of family costumes. We've done the Addams Family, the Flintstones. We've done the Wizard of Oz. One year we were a sideshow circus. When I think that was the first year that we had a family of 7 for Halloween. We were a sideshow circus. So I was a bearded lady. My daughter was like a trapeze walker. We had a mime, a clown, like a muscle man. I don't remember. Oh, my husband was a lion tamer, and then our littlest, our baby, was a lion. It was really cute. But we have definitely gotten away from family costumes now that I have teenagers who want to hang out with their, boyfriend or girlfriend and their friends, and my kids want to be their own thing. However, this year they're begging me to dress as Stranger Things, so we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. We definitely are looking forward to hosting a little family Halloween party here in our neighborhood. So that's going to be a lot of fun. We loved to host Halloween parties back in Vegas. And I look forward to doing it again. So if you guys have any fun plans or fun costumes for your Halloween plans this year, I would love to hear them down below. So if you do have any, let me know. Besides that, everything is just kind of moving and grooving. I feel so blessed this fall to just be enjoying life. Danny and I had a conversation the other day where we talked about how for so long we were just kind of in like what happens next, what happens next mode. And, you know, it's been a long time since we've been able to just live and enjoy every day and not, you know, feel like we're working towards something new, whether it's college or grad school or, you know, getting our jobs in education. And then it was, you know, moving, and then it was building the house. And right now we finally are in a position where we're in our careers and we're just enjoying life, and it feels so good. And now I just feel like I can fully support my kids, and it's just been so much fun. I'm so happy with, you know, where we're at and feeling so much contentment. And, you know, I said, I guess the closest thing to what comes next is the growing of the channel, but honestly, that's just happening slowly and organically. And it's been a lot of fun. So thank you to everybody who is here. And now that we have planning back on the channel, it feels really like home. I feel like we have really found a cool groove with the 4 different videos in the week, and I am loving them. So a lot of you have commented on these videos saying you've never seen decorative planning before. So that's always fun. Even if you don't do it, it's fun to watch. I feel like it's a very relaxing hobby. And it's like a dual purpose hobby, right? Like it's fun to lay down stickers and to be creative, but it's also great to be organized for the week. So it has been incredibly beneficial for me, especially knowing what I'm going to cook every day. I have missed meal planning, so definitely happy to be back into that. That's what I'm laying down now. I'm laying down these quarter boxes underneath my checklists so that I can meal plan for the week. However, I was filming this on Friday morning because I was off this day. We had a 4-day weekend this weekend for my district, and I hadn't meal planned yet. So I put in the things that I know, but I really have to sit down and meal plan because I don't know exactly what we're going to eat yet, and I need to put in a food order. So I'm still putting in the boxes because it's still going to happen, but I need to plan appropriately. So now we're going to go ahead and move into the sidebar. And now that we're back in school, there's definitely some things that I want to put in the sidebar. I want to put a habit tracker, which is what I'm looking for now. And I'm going to put a habit tracker for cleaning out backpacks, because this is one of those things where if you don't do it every single day, it so rapidly just falls apart. So I'm using this cute little backpack from Tasseled Planner, and it's got the cute little bow on there. I don't even know if that shop is still open. I really should look before I use these stickers, but I don't know if these shops are still open anymore. But I just thought it was cute. But that'll just give me somewhere to mark that I'm checking backpacks every day, because so easily do we fall behind. So when we were cleaning out backpacks for the start of the school year, we don't get new backpacks every single year. Backpacks are expensive, and unless they're falling apart, there's no need to waste it and get a new one. So only actually one of my kids got a brand new backpack this year, just Aiden, my 8th grader, because his was destroyed. Everybody else, we kind of rotate them. So we look at ones we've had already and reuse them. So when we were cleaning them out, it was amazing to find like notebooks and like the stuff that was still in there. So definitely want to make sure we're cleaning those out every single day, and that way we don't lose, sight of stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and get into our day by day. I'm starting off on Monday, and I'm going to start by marking today's video. That's the one you're watching right now, this plan with me. And I'm going to use those little arrows that come with the kit to mark videos for this week. So went ahead and marked this video, this plan with me. And then I wanted to mark that this was a day off, or that this is a day off for everybody. I shouldn't say was. It hasn't happened yet. but that it is a day off for everybody. So I'm using a half box, and I was looking for a day off sticker, and I had those that I had used last week from Simply Watercolor Co. So that's what I ended up using. I put in a little piece of deco and then pulled in these day off stickers. I love the font on these. I definitely need to get some more of these. I hope they still exist out there because they're so pretty. Wanted to give you a close-up of that really pretty font. I didn't have anything to write for Tuesday, just that we were back at work and everybody was back at school, but there was nothing that I needed to put for that day. But now that I think about it, actually, Ronan does have his first track meeting that day. It's not a practice, but they are meeting to chat. And I didn't have that information when I was doing this video because he was still at school. So I need to go back and put that in. I'm marking down Wednesday's video. This is part 2 of fall decorating. It's going to be the living room and the entryway and the bathroom. Super excited for that one. I'm also adding in that Ronan has his first track practice this day. So I'm using a cute little clock icon on a quarter box and just writing that he's got track practice and putting that in there. And then he also has soccer practice that night. That's going to be a long day for him. So this is new though. He's trying out track. Track has been something he's wanted to try out. He's been trying soccer. It's not really his gig. He doesn't always, he struggles sometimes with like making really fast decisions. So when the ball's coming, like knowing what to do. So soccer just isn't really his jam. He needs something a little bit less like on the spot, more of going in, knowing what to expect. So that's what he's going to be doing. So we're moving into Thursday, and I was thinking hard about what I needed to do. I needed to, I didn't have a ton to put in here. So I'm putting in that there's soccer. My other 2 boys have soccer this night. And, I also wanted to mark that we needed to take all of the trash out. Our trash gets picked up on Friday morning, and it gets picked up at literally the crack of dawn, like 5:30. So I have to make sure that it's out on Thursday night. So that's what we're doing. I'm marking that down with a little foiled flag and an icon. Our driveway is really long, as I'm sure you've seen. So it takes a long time to get the trash all the way down there. But, you know, it's a good workout. And we rotate who has to take them down. Yeah, even I do it. So Danny's trying to figure out a way to hitch him to the lawnmower. We'll figure it out one day. I'm putting in Friday's Cook With Me video. Got a really delicious one coming on Friday, a nice fall meal, so get ready. And then on Saturday, of course, this is a day that I do a lot of my filming. So I'm going to use this super cute little laptop from Tickled Pink Planning, and I'm going to put in that I'm going to film and edit this day. Lots and lots of filming this day. And then for Sunday, I'm going to go ahead and mark that I've got Sunday's reset going up. And I'm also going to mark that that is Patriot Day because that is September 11th. So I didn't like how I wrote Sunday reset, so I'm erasing it and rewriting it. That's the joy of this pen. This is the Pilot Friction, Frixion. This is the only pen I use. It is the best. So you can definitely check that out. But like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and mark that it is also Patriot Day this day. I do that on a half box. It's important that I remember that day. We talk to our kids about what that means and what that day is all about. So go ahead and marking that in the planner. And that rounds out our day by day plan so far. Not a ton of stuff going on this week, but I'm okay with that. Lots of party planning and prep. We've got my in-laws' 50th anniversary party coming up here in a couple of weeks. So just working on planning and prepping for all of that. I'm putting in the two things that I know, that's tacos and pizza. Those always happen on Tuesdays and Fridays. But other than that, that's all I've got for you this week, my friends. Thank you for joining me for this plan with me. I hope that your week is organized and you're ready to go, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys. See you soon.